Have you ever wondered why some AI models struggle with math problems that humans find straightforward? It turns out, even the most advanced language models have a hard time with complex step-by-step reasoning. But a breakthrough called DuaShepherd is changing that, and it's all about combining two powerful ideas to make AI smarter. Let's break it down. Large language models, or LLMs, are amazing at tasks like writing essays or answering general questions. But when it comes to math, they often trip up. Why? Because solving a problem isn't just about getting the right answer, it's about how you get there. Did you make a mistake in the middle? Did you skip a step? That's where DuaShepherd steps in. The key innovation here is reward modeling. Think of it like training a student not just by grading their final exam, but by giving feedback on each step of their work. Traditional methods use two signals: correctness, did you do each step right? And potential, does this step help you reach the right answer? But DuaShepherd combines these into one system, creating a feedback loop that's both precise and efficient. Here's how it works. Researchers merged two datasets: PRM800K, which used human experts to label math steps as correct or incorrect, and Math-Shepherd, which used Monte Carlo sampling to estimate whether a step might lead to the right answer without full human labeling. By blending these, DuaShepherd trains models to prioritize both accuracy and logical progression. The result? A model that doesn't just guess the answer, it understands the reasoning. By training on both correctness and potential, DuaShepherd outperformed previous models on benchmarks like Math-500 and ProcessBench. And here's the kicker: it achieved this without needing more data than existing methods. So why does this matter? Imagine an AI that explains its thought process step by step, catching errors as it goes. That's not just better math skills. It's a leap toward AI that can tackle real-world problems, from engineering to scientific research. DuaShepherd isn't just a technical achievement, it's a glimpse into the future of AI. By thinking critically about how models learn, researchers are paving the way for systems that don't just mimic human intelligence, but enhance it. But this isn't the whole story. Let's zoom out. You've probably seen AI crunch numbers or tackle equations, right? But most models don't understand the steps. They might guess the right answer, but it's like a student who gets the final number right by luck, no real grasp of the process. What if we could teach AI to see the whole journey, not just the destination? That's where self-evolved deep thinking comes in. Take Math-Shepherd, a project where AI verifies its own steps without human help. It's like having a personal tutor that gives feedback on how well your reasoning flows. Then there's process reward modeling, which rewards the AI for logical step-by-step thinking, not just the final answer. But here's the kicker: these breakthroughs aren't just theory. Models like Mistral 7B and QN2.5 show that size doesn't matter. What matters is how smartly the model learns. By 2024, techniques like Monte Carlo tree self-refine, where AI plays chess against itself, iteratively improving its strategy, proved math solving could be up to 8 times faster than before. Take ProcessBench, a 2024 study tackling real-world math word problems. These are tricky because they mix numbers, language, and context. Researchers focused on process errors, like a student who adds instead of multiplies but still gets the right answer by chance. By breaking down every step, ProcessBench boosted accuracy on benchmarks like GSM-8K to over 97%. This isn't just about numbers, it's about teaching AI to learn from its mistakes just like us. And it's not just big models doing this. Projects like our Star Math show even smaller systems can master math with the right training. So next time you see an AI solve a problem, remember, it's not just about the answer. It's about the journey, and now machines are getting better at navigating that path. Thanks for watching. If you want to dive deeper into how AI learns math, hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments what other AI mysteries you'd love to explore. Until next time.